This is Casey. Casey, say hello. Casey. She is 4 weeks, and I'm gonna show you how I feed her. So here's the stuff that we're feeding her. It's Milk Replacer Plus. It's for kittens up to 6 weeks. So when it comes to feeding your kitten, you can actually use this little baby's milk bottle like this, or you can use this syringe. Since the milk is in the refrigerator, I like to run it with some warm water to keep it kind of at room temperature so it doesn't make your kitten too cold. I'm just letting her lick it, and I'm slowly pushing down on the plunger so it comes out slow. Yum, yum. Promise not to laugh. This kitten is food drunk. Whoa.